To test whether the G or C wires are shorted in a bundle, start by isolating the thermostat and turning off power at the breaker for the heating and cooling system. With power off and the thermostat wires disconnected, use a digital multimeter set to the continuity or resistance setting to check between the green wire and the common wire at the thermostat end. Place one probe on the green conductor and the other on the common conductor. A continuous tone or near 0 ohms indicates a short. If you see continuity, move the meter to the furnace or air handler end and repeat the test there to confirm where the short exists. If the meter shows intermittent continuity or fluctuating resistance, gently flex the bundle along its length while testing to reproduce a rubbing or pinch point. As a quick workaround when a short is confirmed and you have an unused conductor in the same cable, move the thermostat connections to that spare wire and label the change at both ends before restoring power. Always visually inspect the outer sheath and conductor insulation for cuts, abrasions, or crushed spots, and repair small sheath damage with electrical tape or replace the cable if insulation is compromised. The most common issue is a rubbed through conductor where the outer sheath looks intact but one conductor is exposed, which you can often find by flexing and inspecting the bundle and then splicing or replacing the cable. Another frequent problem is a short at the terminal block inside the air handler, where wires are crowded and screws cut insulation. Loosening terminals, separating conductors with insulating sleeves, or reterminating on cleaner screw positions fixes this. A third concern is false continuity caused by connected control boards or capacitors still attached when testing. Remove or isolate the wires at the control board before testing and use the spare wire swap method if you need immediate restoration of thermostat functionality. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to make it easier for contractors to find work relevant to projects like wiring repairs. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share troubleshooting tips, swap photos, and discuss local contractor experiences.